Why would you use text-to-speech software that sounds like this
Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about AI tools.
when you can get this?
Top AI Tools delivers all the best in AI content, so please subscribe.
Voice generators like Lovo, Mirth, Play HT, and Synthesia are all good options. But ElevenLabs text-to-speech AI is a game changer, and here's why. When you go to the ElevenLabs homepage, there's an option to test out their free AI tools before signing up. There are multiple languages to choose from, like German, Polish, Spanish, Hindi, and many others. They also provide lots of pre-made voice options with a wide range of tonality to suit your project. If you're a TikTok or Reels content creator and don't want to use your own voice, this initial free option will allow you 333 characters of text-to-speech. So let's give it a go. We're just going to type in our text here. Choose the pre-made Antony voice option and see what it sounds like.
Hi there, this is the voice of Antony from ElevenLabs.
Pretty good, right? And you can regenerate this voice if you need it to sound a little different, and then download it, all free of charge. ElevenLabs voices can be used to make videos, audiobooks, or for your business. You can even use them in chatbots. We'll give you the full rundown throughout this video, so stay tuned. From the homepage, you can create an account real quick. Once you do that, it'll open up the advanced version. From here, there's loads of options, and you can see the specifications next to each one, like accents, tone, and where you should use them. This is really helpful because you wouldn't want to use a funny voice for serious content, right? In advanced, you can also adjust voice stability or clarity. There's no specific formula for these settings. It all depends on the type of voice you want to generate. So play around with the settings and you'll figure out what works best for you. There are 2 language models to choose from, one based on US English and the other is multilingual. So let's try generating a voice. We'll keep the default settings, choose a voice, type some text, and hit the generate button. Okay, on to VoiceLab, where different types of custom voice can be made. The first one is voice design, where you can make unique AI voices. This could be useful if you want to make a YouTube channel and have a voice that stands out from the crowd. To generate a voice, just select gender, age, accent, and strength of accent. Type in your text and see what it comes up with. If you don't like it, change the settings again and again until you find the sound you're looking for. Second type is instant voice cloning. This is where you get to clone your own voice, but you'll need to subscribe to the starter pack to use this option. And you'll have to check a box agreeing not to use this voice for illegal purposes. You can upload up to 25 samples of the voice you want to clone, and after a few seconds, you'll have the cloned voice. Just edit if you don't like it, or you can get an even better sounding clone if you sign up to the creator pack. The third option is voice library. This is really cool because you get to explore the work of other users, listen to their samples, and add favorites to your voice lab. ElevenLabs recently collaborated with DID, which is one of the best AI tools out there for making videos. This collab allows you to generate human-looking avatars in video format with realistic voices powered by ElevenLabs. This is great for anyone wanting to make content without showing their face or revealing their voice. If you're a content creator, ElevenLabs can also be used to greatly extend your audience base. If you're familiar with YouTube's ecosystem, you'll know that many channels made separate channels to repurpose their content in different languages. But recently, YouTube launched a multi-language audio feature that allows creators to reach a far greater audience. MrBeast has already dubbed his popular videos in multiple languages. And you can do this too by making a clone of your voice on ElevenLabs. Just add the script and use the multi-language model in ElevenLabs. Be warned, if you use voice cloning for hate speech or illegal purposes, ElevenLabs could suspend your account or even report you to the relevant authorities. So make sure you use text-to-speech tools with good intentions. You can use ElevenLabs for free, with up to 10,000 characters of voice per month, with different language options, and 3 custom voices. But you don't get any commercial license usage. Then there's multiple pricing plans all the way up to $330 per month and beyond.